I don't want to go to school tomorrow.
Okay, girl.
What time is it? Is it like 10 now?
No.
It's 7:15, bruh.
Yeah, actually, that's it.
Yeah.
Well,
We started at what, 7? No, it's been an hour.
it's an hour, right?
15.
Just stop
Bruh.
pointing at them. They look scared. Stop.
I don't want to record you. You'll ruin my video. Wait, is that Madame Shane? Is that?
Oh, yeah,
No, it's not.
Oh, it is.
No, it's not.
Here.
Where?
No. Which one?
She's not there.
That's not her.
That's not her.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Why was that kid coming? Oh, he's gonna give us the thing, and then he looked at my camera. Is that Le Relais? It is. No, it's Le Relais. It says Le Relais.
Oh, this is like a pig. Oh, this is a hockey brand.
Le Relais.
It's a hockey.
Yeah, but that sign says Le Relais.
It's like a pig, though.
But on the sign it says Le Relais. That does. Wait, where's Santa Claus? There is none. That's... You want to wave at the little kids? Hey, I'm not doing it for that. I'm not even recording. There's no Santa Claus.
Yeah, there is. It's not you yet. Should get away, duck.
I'm gonna record you guys.
Bend down so you look smaller.
What, go like this?
There you go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Merry Christmas. Thank you. Wait, I know her.
You know that one?
Oh, she's the librarian.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Why does the van look so dirty? Dun, 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 dun. Who is it? Who? Oh. I thought she was doing fencing.
Alright.
Well, she's...
Merry Christmas.
What, she's... Did she just switch from going fencing to not? I don't want to chew butch up. No, I back up. I'm literally recording. Why is someone gonna come to me and then Oh, look at the guy at the window. Thank you. Guys, I'm recording.
Okay, then quit recording.
This is 5 cents worth of candy. Thank you.